really quick, I need you to mentally list some protective styles. Okay, so I am 100% sure that you did not say a wash and go. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to talk about some protective elements of wash and goes. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I share my personal hair journey and tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you with your own. So if that sounds interesting, definitely hit the subscribe down below and also tap the bell 2 times next to the subscribe. Wash and goes are not typically considered protective styles. Protective styles are any styles that help tuck your ends away and protect your hair from dryness and breakage, thus helping you to retain length. Okay, I am not here to convince you that the wash and go is a protective style. However, there are some elements of wash and goes that can protect your hair. Protective element number 1, gel. Gel acts as a physical barrier to lock in the moisture from your wash day, and it also protects your hair from the outside elements. Shea Bay, anyone? Protective element number 2, low manipulation. A good wash and go is going to last you about a week, give or take some days. The less that you have to wash your hair is the less times that you have to break your hair through over manipulation. Protective element number 3, strength in numbers. Whenever you do a wash and go, it clumps your hair together. The clumping acts as a way to protect your individual strands. If you think of it like spaghetti, whenever you're snapping a single piece of spaghetti, it's pretty easy. You can use your little parts of your fingers and break it, right? But whenever you have a bundle of spaghetti, and folks that are not buying the little pot-sized spaghetti like we do, I'm sure you go through this. You get all the spaghetti that you're gonna cook, and you have to put a little bit more force behind it to get the spaghetti to snap. And so it is stronger because it is bundled together. Protective element number 4, the wash and go can be used as a base style. I oftentimes use my wash and go to wear a more traditional protective style. In my case, it's usually a bun. I wear plenty a wash and go bun, and it's also something really good to hide a wash and go that did not make it through the week. No, the wash and go is not a protective style by the most pure of definitions. However, we can say that there are elements of wash and goes that can help to protect your hair.